Hello there guys and gals, take a look at these frogs. This is the first time I'm seeing them like this in a kind of situation. Are you having fun or you're making some love, huh? In the middle of the street. You might hit by a car or any other vehicles. Okay. Stay away from here. Live happily ever after. Live happily ever after. Go and multiply. Oh gosh. I see. It's a mother and daughter, I think, or a son. It's not the way that I'm thinking about them.